Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's that season again and we're all getting ready for turkey dinner. So I'm going to show you how to make an entire turkey. It's the best turkey you'll ever have in your entire life. And I'm going to make all the sides and I'm going to teach you guys how to make it all. So if you'd like to watch me make a turkey dinner, please keep watching. Brine your turkey 24 to 48 hours before you're ready to cook it. Put your turkey in breast down and cover it and refrigerate until you're ready to cook. Recipe in the description. So the first thing I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 500 degrees, and I'm going to take the rack out. So there's only one rack and it's at the very bottom. I'm going to make a triangle with this aluminum foil to put over the breast after I brown my turkey. The tin foil will protect the breast from getting too overcooked. So now I'm going to put my turkey on my rack, breast up. I'm going to flip my wings underneath, and then I'm going to use my tin foil and make a little mold so that when I put it on and the bird is really hot, it's already the shape that I need it to be. So I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to put oil all over my turkey and rub it in. I'm not salting my turkey or anything because it's already been brining in the salt. This is what I'm going to stuff inside my turkey before I cook it. 1 whole onion, 1 whole apple, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, and some thyme, and 1/2 cup of water, which I'm going to put in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to spoon all of this into the cavity of the turkey. Okay, so my apples and onions are all done. They're very hot, so that's why I'm using a spoon and I'm dropping it all over the place, but I'm stuffing this all inside the turkey. So then the last thing that I'm going to do before I put it in the oven is put some thyme, fresh thyme, and some sage that I got out of my garden. If you have rosemary, that's fine, or you can put sage, thyme, and rosemary in. Okay, so now I'm going to place it in the oven. The breast is going in, legs are going out, and we're putting it in here in this 500 degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. It's been in there for 30 minutes. I'm going to put my tinfoil cover on the breast, and then I'm going to turn the oven down to 350. And I usually put this in here, leave it in for about 2 hours, but I start checking it at about 1.5 hours. And this is a 15-pound turkey, so I think it's 15 minutes per pound. But I usually just check it with a thermometer, and you want your breast to be 161 degrees. So I start checking that, and as soon as my breasts get to that temperature, I take it out and let it rest. So I am using white potatoes. I like white potatoes the best. I'm just cutting them up and putting them in a pot with water and a tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to boil them until they're soft. So the potatoes are done. I'm putting them in a mixer. You can use a hand mixer. I'm going to put into this a cup of milk, 1.5 sticks of butter. I'm going to save 1/2 stick out to put on top. I'm going to put a teaspoon of onion powder and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And you can find toasted nutritional yeast usually in your health food store. I'm sure you can buy it online, but it's really, really good in mashed potatoes. It'll make them taste like nothing you've ever had before. So onto the gravy. These are the drippings from the turkey. I know it looks greasy, but it's going to be really good. And so I have about a cup of flour and 2 to 3 cups of milk in this quart jar, and shake it all up to get it all smooth. And I'm going to bring my drippings to a simmer, and then I'm going to add my milk and flour mixture, and then bring it back up to a simmer. And as that happens, it'll get thicker, and you just keep mixing it the whole time, and all the oil will be incorporated into it. And then if you want it to be thinner, you just add a little bit more milk. Okay, we are all done with our turkey dinner. So obviously we have a turkey, we have mashed potatoes, gravy, fresh cranberries, sweet potato souffle, and fresh green bean casserole. So to learn about all the sides, I will be posting videos on that, and you can look out for those. But we are all ready to eat, so we are going to have our dinner. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.